Hi everyone, this is Linda from the duchesskitchen.com. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make stromboli or stromboli pizza, just like pizza, um, but it's rolled into a log and baked. Then you slice and serve. I'm using homemade pizza dough. I'll link it up here somewhere. You can check it out. So all I'm going to do is roll my dough into a rectangle. I'm just trying to stretch the dough a little bit into a rectangle shape before I start rolling it. You can use your fingers to do it. When you're rolling and your dough is a bit difficult to roll or resisting, you can just let it rest for a little bit, about 5 minutes, and come back to it, and it will be easy to roll. So this is what I did with this dough. So now our dough is pizza dough is rolled out, and for my stromboli today I'm using pizza sauce, or yeah, and you can use as much as you like. I don't like much tomatoes pizza sauce on my pizza. And we're going to use any pizza or deli meat that you want. Anything you want on your pizza, you can add it to this recipe. So I'm using pepperoni, salami, ham. That's the three meats that I'm using for this stromboli. Using a mixture of shredded cheese. This recipe is very adaptable, and you can use any favorite of cheese you want, but one that melts easily. So I'm using mozzarella cheese, nothing parmesan cheese. And that is our egg wash, and I've added Italian seasoning to the egg, and I've beaten it slightly. So I'm using it to rub the edges of the dough. So when you put the meat on, you want to leave about 1 inch around it, and a little about 3 inches on top of the dough, because as you roll, the filling will be moving forward. So you don't want to fill all the way to the edges. And just roll it tightly, as you can see me do in the video, and make sure you tight in the corners so that the filling doesn't ooze out when you are baking. So now I'm just tightening the edges. You tuck it in to create a seal. So that's why we left the space over there, and we egg wash it. So there we have it. You just transfer it to your baking sheet, and I'm going to create some slits or opening on top of the rolled stromboli, so that when it's baked, the steam can escape. I'm just going to use some of the egg wash with the Italian seasoning on top of the dough. You can, on top of the roll, you can also add cheese on top as well. Yeah, so I'm just going to bake this in a preheated oven till it's well baked and golden brown on top. So that's our stromboli. I've let it cool down a bit. That's why I could touch it. And you just slice them up and serve with pizza sauce or any other sauce you like. So that's our stromboli. I hope you guys like it, and I like the this recipe. It's very easy. You can make your dough ahead of time, and it freezes well as well. You can use it for after school lunch for kids. You can use it for breakfast, dinner, and any, even for snacks and parties. So I hope you guys like it and will give it a try. If you have any question, please leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless you. Bye.